welcome back to Jen Beauty. My name is Jennifer, and here on my channel I like to chat about all things beauty and makeup. And today I have my finale to my Partners in Cream project pan. This project was created by Steph Lyons and Delyn from Outward Processing. I'll have their channels linked below. I don't know if this is coming back next year, but typically I think it runs January 10th through December 10th. And then you kind of have like a month to take off and kind of finalize your other projects and decide what you want to pan in the next year. So the first item that I rolled in was the Tarte CH2O gloss in the shade Salt Life. And my goal on this was to use it 10 times, and I have. And I will put how much I have used in the project, how many grams I've used in the project below. I'm kind of trying to do this real quick on my lunch break, so I haven't had time to go back and look at how much and weigh everything. So I don't have any windowing or anything in this. It's a very thick gloss, so it doesn't surprise me. So when I say 10 times, I mean like 10 days worth of applications. So really this may have been like 20 to 30 applications in total. And then the next item that I have rolled in is the ColourPop blush sticks. I have three different shades that I rolled in. I have Pretty Thing, 25-8, and Mini Me. And my goal was to use them 10 times each. Last update, I was almost there, but not quite. This update, I have reached my goal to use each of these 10 times each. And I do like the shades a lot. I have too many cream products, and I really shouldn't have bought that many at one time. Or if I did, like, I shouldn't have opened that many at one time. But I did, so here we are. I'm going to be panning cream products as much as possible next year, I think. So this is Pretty Thing, 25-8, and Mini Me. So I at least got 3 different shades and not all the same one. That's how we're justifying it. The next item that I rolled in, I said this was a gimme product, and not to judge me, but it was not a gimme product. This ended up being like a hate pan all the way. This is the NYX Marshmallow Primer, and I think I'd used it maybe one time before I rolled it in. It felt like it took me forever. I didn't track like how many uses it took me, but I don't like it. I will never repurchase it, and if I ever get another one of these, I am passing it along immediately. Don't let me try it again. Please do not. I found my makeup was very inconsistent. Some days it was beautiful. Other days it was greasy. Some days I looked almost a little too dry. I'm not really sure why. I don't know if my skin just changes too much, and this is a more finicky product that your skin needs to be pretty consistent to get the same result. I mean, I'm not sure. I have no idea. I don't like it. Smells nice. Don't need it. And then my last product that I had rolled in, and I think I've had this one rolled in the longest, is my Tarte C Hydra-Flex Serum Foundation. And let me count how many uses I got in this project. A total of 43 uses in this project. When I rolled it in, I was here, and then I ended up being here on the last update, and then I finished it. It's a lovely foundation. I actually really enjoyed it, but you know how like you're waiting to finish it and you're like, oh, it's got to be done now. It's got to be done now. And then it seems like a little like leprechaun or maybe Mary Poppins is like coming in and refilling it. It's like the Mary Poppins bag of foundations. It just felt like it kept getting refilled a little bit each time I used it instead of going down. But obviously it did go down, and I am so happy to report that it is done and I have met all of my goals in this project. I actually have finished 2 foundations, 1 eyeliner, one full-size primer, one mini primer, and met a number of usage goals in this project. So even though I didn't start until July overall, this was a very successful project for me. And I'm really proud of the work that I have done in this, because this is my first year project panning, and I was a little concerned that I was going to get overwhelmed or not be able to finish things, or not meet a bunch of goals. And so I did try to start kind of small. I only put 4 products in at a time to Partners in Cream. And I did stop one of my projects a little bit early. I did my finale like a month earlier than I originally planned. So I'm trying to just be flexible and reasonable with my goals and where I am. So let me know if you participated in this project and how you think I did. So if you like this video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you would like to see more makeup and beauty content from me, hit that subscribe button and I'll have more coming at you. I hope wherever you are, you have a wonderful day. Bye.